Hi there, this is Kendall from Sager Family Farm, and today I'm going to show you how to use bubble wrap to make some cute beehive artwork, or some borders, basically anything that looks like honeycomb. Before we start, huge thanks to our funders for making content like this possible. So what we're going to need for this craft, it's pretty simple. You can find just any old bubble wrap that you have laying around the house. You'll need some paper. I've got some printouts of hexagons that I have on my website, linked down below.
You'll also need some paint. I like to use yellow and orange so you get a little bit of variation in your stamping. Some paintbrushes, a paper plate just to mix your paints on, and a pen. Oh, and don't forget scissors.
I'm going to start out by making a honeycomb border for my hexagon. First, cut a strip of bubble wrap roughly the size of one side of the honeycomb. Now take your paints and paint directly on the bubble wrap. It looks really nice when you don't blend the colors too much, or blend them, it's all good. Now stamp it onto your paper. Set that aside to dry, and now let's make a little beehive. You can draw the shape of the beehive right onto the bubble wrap and then cut it out. Paint it. I'm using yellow and orange. I'm trying not to blend too much, but it's kind of blending. That's okay. And stamp it. You can even use your finger to make little bees flying around the hive. Once your paintings are dry, you can fill in some fun facts in your hexagons. And outline your beehive, add an entrance to the beehive. Let's put some stripes on those bees and some wings, outline them too. And don't forget to add a fun fact.
And that's all there is to it. Some cute honeycomb artwork made from bubble wrap. Happy crafting!